Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the optical drive, if installed, base enclosure, and USB board. Removal. Important: make careful note of the routing of the wireless antenna and subwoofer cables for later replacement. Remove the tape that secures the subwoofer cable to the system board. Disconnect the subwoofer cable from its connector on the system board. Remove the wireless antenna cables from the routing channel on the fan and subwoofer. Remove the subwoofer cable from the routing channel on the fan. Remove the 2mm P1 Phillips broadhead screw that secures the subwoofer to the top cover. Lift the subwoofer off of the alignment pins on the top cover and remove. Replacement. Place the subwoofer onto the alignment pins on the top cover. Important: ensure that the two rubber isolators are properly seated between the subwoofer and screw standoffs. Replace the 2mm P1 Phillips broadhead screw that secures the subwoofer to the top cover. Route the subwoofer cable through the routing channel on the fan. Route the wireless antenna cables through the routing channel on the subwoofer and fan. Connect the subwoofer cable into its connector on the system board. Replace the tape that secures the subwoofer cable to the system board.